In this video, I'll show you how to make a 12-column grid in Figma. Start by opening Figma and going to your drafts. From there, open a new file or any design file you want to work on. Next, go to the bottom toolbar and click on the frame icon, or simply press the letter K on your keyboard. Then choose a frame preset from the right panel, or draw your own frame on the canvas. Once your frame is selected, head over to the right-hand panel and scroll down until you find the Layout Guide section. Click the plus icon to add a grid to your frame. By default, the grid might appear as a standard grid. Click on the drop-down menu and change it to Columns. Then, set the column count to 12. After that, you can customize your grid by adjusting the color, type, width, margins, and gutter. This allows you to create a clean and consistent layout for your design. And that's it. You now have a 12-column grid ready to use in Figma. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.